Hi everyone, this is Ina with Nexus Property Management. Today I'm going to show you property at 24 Alston Place in Fitchburg, Unit A. It's a beautiful, newly renovated 4-bedroom unit. As you get in through the front door, you walked into a beautiful sunny room. There is open space with a second room, so one can be a living room, one can be a very spacious dining, combination of dining and family room. Neutral color walls, awesome setup. Here is a display for your dishes or any memorable stuff that you would like to display. So here's a second room, can be used as a living room or a family room. Has a closet, can be coat closet. To the right would be kitchen, but I'll show you, first I'll show you a first floor bedroom. Nice size room. It also can be used as an office. The kitchen, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, full set, large fridge, electric stove. Everything is brand new. From here, I'm gonna show you a large pantry closet. And next room is a huge room with washer dryer hookups, but it also has additional space for storage. And this room is a second entrance exit room. By going back, again, very sunny, spacious place. We're gonna be heading to second floor where I'll show you 3 bedrooms and a bathroom. But first I wanted to show you a half bath here. On the first floor, new vanity, medicine cabinet, granite countertop. Very nice. Very, very nice. So we're heading to second floor. Nicely done staircase. Polished steps. We're heading to a landing on the second floor. So first floor is a large bedroom with 2 closets. Has space for a king-size bed, couple nightstands, couple dressers. You can even fit a little futon or a couple chairs. Returning to the landing, I'll show you a full bathroom with a bathtub. Brand new vanity with granite countertop and nice medicine cabinet. Here is a second bedroom. Neutral walls, very nice room. Can fit queen or full-size bed and whatever comes with it, it can fit it all. And here is a third bedroom on the floor. This room is big. You can fit king or queen size bed, couple nightstands, dressers, chairs, beautiful gleaming floors. Overall, beautiful house. It can be a 4-bedroom house or a 3-bedroom and an office. Fully redone. Washer, dryer, hookups on the first floor. And on the side of the building are 2 parking spaces that it comes with. I'm going through the bedrooms again so you can see it for yourself and realize how beautiful this house is. It's a nice private street. There's a backyard that is shared with Unit B that is on the back. But it's a nice size yard. You can have a table, chairs, grill, can enjoy the surroundings. A lot of shade. Here's a staircase back. Please get back to me if you are interested to schedule a tour. I'll be very happy to see you. Again, I'm Ina with Nexus Property Management, Worcester office. Please message me through the website or Zillow or call our office at 508-687-3001, extension 3. I look forward to hearing from you.